it. 4. Oh, Luke, what, we don't record the power tools. That's not what I like. Okay, let's take this out. This is Sarah. actually want the hole to be. There you go. We have one of the legs done. Now I have to make 4 more of them because we're going to have 2 of them on each of the desks. If you'd like to see more of the how-to and what I was thinking, why I was thinking it, I have an entire second channel where I actually go into it and I talk through the build, explain the steps, and then I have a whole nother video on actually doing the lamination bending. So if you'd like to see that, go over to Wood by Wright 2. All the links are down below. And you can find the description down there. And I'm really looking forward to having this together. Next week we're going to be starting doing the bent on the back piece as well as the back stretcher, and then actually gluing the legs together. So by the end of next week we will have the leg structures done and ready to put the top on. So hopefully we will be getting really close to finishing these desks in the next coming weeks. So I hope you like this video. If you have any thoughts, comments, concerns, ideas, let me know those in the comments down below. I do read through them all and get to as many as I possibly can. Also want to say a huge thank you to the patrons on Patreon. You guys are the reason why Wood by Wright is here still today. It is the largest support that comes in for Wood by Wright. And without the patrons on Patreon, this channel would not be here. So thank you for that. If you see anyone over here listed on the side, give them a big shout out and say thank you, because they are the reason why this channel is still going. Thank you for that. And I think that'll about do it for today. And until next time, have a wonderful day. I like it when my desks show a little leg.